Welcome to the Plant a Seed Read Storytime. This event is made possible through the Whitestone Hagerman Library, where I am today, and Plant a Seed and See What Grows Foundation. Plant a Seed and See What Grows Foundation, a registered national charitable organization, is dedicated to creating opportunities for children to explore the outdoors and be inspired by the breathtaking wonders of the natural world around them. The Foundation's programs create moments of inspiration that can last a lifetime in classrooms, in school gardens, by farm visits, and other outdoor educational activities. Through these outdoor experiences, a healthier generation of children is nurtured, and at the same time, they learn to become good stewards of planet Earth. We're here today because of the Foundation's Plant a Seed Read program, which aims to reach kids like you through storytelling in public libraries across Canada. My name is Jacqueline, and I am a volunteer here at the library, and I am a retired teacher librarian. And reading books, especially picture books, is one of my passions. So now we're going to read a story today, and it is called Plant a Seed and See What Grows. It was written by Roland Goller and illustrated by a friend of his. Each day is a new adventure, an exciting way to learn about the things around us, like this butterfly and this fern. Michael's mom is a gardener, planting seeds in the ground. She says they'll become beautiful, and they'll do it without a sound. Plant a seed and see what grows right before your eyes. A living thing so green and tall, a beautiful surprise. The soil feeds the little seed. The worms will help it too. Nature works just perfectly. You'll learn that this is true. The rain comes down to water it and wets the little seed. A healthy drink to nourish them is just what seedlings need. The sun looks down and says hello and warms them from the sky. Their stems stretch tall to reach the light. Their fluttering leaves wave high. When Michael finds a seed himself, he knows just what to do. I'll plant this in the garden bed. I'll grow my own plant too. Michael soon forgets his seed until one fine spring day, he sees a green shoot peeking out. He stares and shouts, "Hooray!" The earth works well, this we know, in perfect harmony. The beauty of growth surrounds us all, an amazing thing to see. He brings his mom out to the patch. He says, "Look, come and see." He wonders what it will become. A rose? An apple tree? His mom just smiles and pats his head. You'll have to wait to know. The best part for a garden is watching how it grows. From a little flower to a mighty oak, all plants start out so small. A tiny seed that's nurtured well will grow quite strong and tall. A seed cared for grows anywhere in the ground or in a pot. A plant can flourish equally on a farm or urban plot. You, my son, are like that seed. Adventures you will find. With good nutrition, you will be strong in body and mind. Plant a seed and see what grows. The earth will do the rest. The beauty of growth is a miracle, and earth does it the best. Cherish the whole earth and sea, and care for yourself too. Always treasure these precious gifts that are given to me and you. The end. Now, I'm very curious as to what kind of plant grew from that little seed. So now you have received, from what I understand, some activities from the library for you to do as a follow-up to this book. You got a little kit with some seeds, and hopefully you will get something, maybe a flower or a vegetable. Who knows? Thank you for listening to our story today. Goodbye for now.